Hi. Hi. Oh, you're both trying to wave. That's adorable. That's adorable.
Hi. Hi.
Hello. Good morning, girls. Good morning, snugglers. What are you doing? What are you up to?
Hi. Hi.
You're pretty smiley. Pretty smiley, Alexis.
A piece?
She wants a piece of it, you think? That's what you think? Well, she's too little.
Oh no.
Yeah, what is in there?
It's milk.
It's milk? Yeah, it is.
Milk?
More milk, you think?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, give it to me. Good morning. Oh, are you going back to sleep? Lexi, are you going night-night?
Yeah.
Can you give your sister a kiss? Can you give Sophie a kiss? Oh, that's so nice. Say, I love you.
I will.
Say, I love you.
I will.
Very good. Uh-oh. She likes it, your shirt. She likes the flower.
Please.
Pants. Yeah, you have pants on.
No.
Night-night. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Sophie, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.